I prefer this way better than having to do a frontal install. Like, it just looks so much more natural. Traditional installs are back in.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this V-part unit that I received from Ft.UNice hair with very minimal leave out, like literally guys, the tiniest bit of leave out, and achieved a super natural install. So this summer we're definitely ditching the lace wigs and transitioning back over to natural looking install and also traditional sewings. So let's get into it. So basically this right here is considered a V-part. Let me just remove this for you guys. So this is considered a V-part. With this unit you do have to, you know, leave out some of your hair just to blend it. It's a more natural way, especially if you're somebody that does not like lace fronts or lace wigs. This is a good alternative. It's similar to also something that we call a half wig, but with a half wig you do have to leave out a lot more of your hair out. With the V-part, it's only one section of your hair that you're leaving out, so literally just like a center part or side part, wherever you want to position the wig onto your head. The wig does come with the clips on the inside of it, that way you can attach to your hair for extra security. It also has that adjustable strap in the back for extra security as well. The way that I have my hair braided, you guys, is so crazy, so do not judge me. I know I cannot braid. I try the best that I can, but I'm not the best braider. And this is basically my leave out. You guys also know that I did get a perm like 3 months ago, and I did not want to add any heat to my hair, so I did make sure that I waited the 3-month mark before having to add any heat to my hair. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Oh, I don't know why I unraveled this first. I should try to clip this in first. I'm just gonna open up all the clips first. You want to make sure that it's flat all around as well. This last clip, I'm just going to clip right here. Pull the back down, make sure that that's secured onto my head. Alright, so now for my leave out. So you do not know, I have like a shit ton of gray hair, like one patch right in the center of my hair, and I always have to pull them out because I just don't like them. And no matter how much I pull them out, they grow back in that exact same spot. Literally, I could pull all of them out by like today, and within like the next 2 weeks they're all back already. So it's crazy, like what 26-year-old have this much gray hairs already? I did like a really quick curl job. Honestly, this is not my best work, but I'm in a rush right now. I'm supposed to be out of the house by 3 o'clock. It's 2:51, so I'm in a rush right now, so I did not take my time to curl this hair at all, but it still looks really good. Still looks pretty good, I would say. The hair is really flat and nice. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I did have to go and wash my leave out to make it look like this because I was trying to flatten it down with all that oil and stuff that I had in my hair. it was just not working, so I did have to wash my leave out prior to me, you know, reinstalling the wig. But this is what it's looking like. The wig, y'all, is gorgeous. It's super soft. Also, I did get this wig in a 24-inch, so it's pretty long. Also, it is true to length. It's a body wave texture, and again, this wig is Ft.Unice hair. I'm absolutely in love with it. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking, and honestly, I don't know if it's just me or what, but I'm at the point where I'm like just kind of like getting over the whole lace wig phase. So over, you know, having to glue down a wig every other day. Like, I'm just over it. I'm ready for the natural hair trend to come back. Like, also with this particular V-part unit, you're not only limited to, you know, wearing a center part, you can also adjust it to the side. Whichever position you want to place it, you can wear your wig in different part of space. So it's not just one part in space. No, you can switch it up, flip it around, do whatever you want. So it's definitely like a really natural wig. What I like about this V-part unit in particular is that the edges of it, like wherever that clip is positioned to attach to your hair, it's just seamless. Like, there's no bulkiness there. Like, it lays completely flat. Even if I was to run my fingers right here right now, it's pretty seamless. Like, it's just flat and nice. It gives you like a really nice flat surface to work with. The way that they attach the clips, like I said, is super seamless. So you don't see any hair, or not any hair, but you don't see any tracks on the side. There's no weft, nothing like that. And I was honestly even so scared to flat iron my leave out, but it turned out pretty great. I feel like this would look so good with some layers, but my leave out is pretty long. Like, my leave out ends right here. I can't cut layers in this. It would just, and I'm not trying to cut my hair as well, so yeah, I cannot cut layers in it. I wish I could, because I feel like this wig would look so bomb with some layers. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I am feeling this so much right now. It's just super natural. It definitely gives you a break from lace wigs, and anything that has lace on it is just a headache. So this definitely gives you that flexibility of, you know, doing something more natural with your hair and switching it up. I'll have the links listed down below to where you guys can purchase this exact same wig. If I do have a discount code as usual, that will be listed in the description box, so just check the description box for all the info on the hair, makeup tutorial. Everything is linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the hair, and I will catch you guys in my next one.
You're watching